install. Okay, so what it did, it extracted the contents of my payload into temp. You see, this is the contents of my payload. Yeah. So normally that means I could possibly execute this PHP code. Okay. Normally on a Apache installation, this won't work because you have this htaccess file, and for this time I have installed on Apache, but I cleared it because I want to mimic Nginx installation, because Nginx doesn't uh, doesn't recognize htaccess. So I got this PHP code, and for example, this is just verification that PHP code works on the server. This I will be used for the attack, the form. This is the script to receive commandos, and this is just script to fetch the database details. Okay, so I go back to my simple machines forum, and as you notice, this is the installation path or the folder of the packages tab. Yeah. So what I did, I want to execute this PHP file. Okay. So let's try it. I will go to packages /temp /php code .php, and voila, you have now executed PHP. Okay. So let's be clear, this is only possible when you have the right permissions. So if you are administrator, you are likely to have these permissions. Okay, so I already also uploaded a couple other PHP scripts like this form eval. Let's try that. I go to packages /form, oh no, temp /form.php. Okay, now I can just enter any PHP code, echo hello how are you, and then I click on submit, and it executes my PHP code. Okay, so let's see if we can read the database login and password. Okay, I have used this PHP script. As you can see, what it does, it reads the contents of settings.php, because this file contains the login and password. Okay, so let's get back. I want to execute this PHP script. Let me see. I go to get database credentials and hit enter. Okay, you see it is blank, because why? It is blank. When you look into the source, you can see it's all PHP code. You see? And look right here. This contains the username and password to the database. So now that you have the credentials, all you have to do is use your form, write a database connection, and you can just update the smf.settings table. Look, if you update this field of the smf, where is it, settings, yeah, you got all the settings, you can just update the news. So for example, I write, hi, this is news I have just written. Okay, let me first show you that there is currently no news. You see, no news. So let's update this. Okay, let's refresh, and you see, hi, this is news I have just read. Now, Bitcoin Talk had a piece of JavaScript inserted in the news. It looks like this. I just copied it from the Reddit thread, and I also copied the JavaScript. It's not all files are fully completed. I got this from the GitHub. You find it at the thread here, as you can see. Then let's change it to in the news. Voila, and save it. Then let's refresh. Bam. As you can see, you see this. Not all files are there, but it is actually, when you click it, it contains part of the payload, as you can see. Now let's boot up the console. Let's refresh, and as you can see, it actually wants to load these scripts, flash, these images. Well, click here, copy this. Oh, it doesn't work. So, as you can see, this was one of the images used. So, I just demonstrated how you can execute PHP code. This way it is possible to update the news using the packages functionality, and it's also possible to upload avatars or upload files in the avatars, like in this case it was all2.js. As you can see, you see it right here. It was all2.js. Yeah. So normally you can't upload this using the default avatar upload function. The only way to do it is using a PHP script or a server access. Okay, so I can't tell 100% that this is the method the attackers used, but at least this is the first proven method which allows for yeah, malicious PHP execution while having an administrator account or a user account with the right permissions. I will show you again with the administrate form and database permissions. Okay, so in order to attack using this method, you have to have these permissions. Okay, so well, that's it, Reddit readers and Bitcoin talkers. Uh, I'm really curious if they actually use this method. But if they didn't use this method, it's still, a security issue. So yeah, let me know what you think about it, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, good luck with finding out the real attack vector. Okay, so this is Bitcoin leader. I'm also a user on bitcointalk.org. I watch it daily. I read daily. So yeah, I thought I contributed like this. And so I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk again. See you. Bye.